Putting the dishwasher in today. I've already got the wire in. You could hardwire, or I chose to just be able to plug this dishwasher in. So I got a coupler in there. Inside this box, I got 3 wire nuts for the ground, neutral, and hot. And then we'll just stick this cord through the side of the cabinet and plug it into the outlet. Supply line for the water. This is a 6-foot long one. And after it goes through the cabinet, I will connect this end here to the PEX, and then we'll be able to have a shut-off valve on it. So I've got a corner cabinet here, and there was an opening in there, so I cut a piece of board and stuck that in there because I didn't want any of the noise from the dishwasher going through there and then coming out through the door. I'm just trying to make the dishwasher as quiet as I can. There's an opening down here, so I put this board in just to seal any noise. And then same thing here, I put this board in here, so just keep any of the noise back in there, and so you're not going to be able to hear the dishwasher as much. Even though it's a quiet dishwasher, just trying to really keep the sound down. Drilled a hole up there for the drain, one below it for the supply, and then one down there for the cord. So you have to make sure they're long enough so when you're pushing the dishwasher back in here, you still have enough room to reach in there and get all your lines through there, and then slide it back, and then make sure you have enough length to get to these. And I'm gonna put this trim board up, and the dishwasher will sit against that, and then I'm gonna put another little trim board against it. Here I'll be able to actually fasten the dishwasher to this board that I silicone to the granite, and I'm also going to be able to attach it to this board and this board here. Here's what it looks like all finished with all the trim boards all around it. A couple screws on this side, and then a couple on the top there. We are ready to wash some dishes.